In this course, we're going to learn how to create mobile applications with React Native (RN). In this course we'll learn these topics: 1. JavaScript, ES6, to React and React to Native. 2. RN setup and installations. 3. RN basics, such as props system, state, layout, flexbox, inputs, networking, and much more. 4. React hooks, state, effect. 5. React navigation, v4. 6. An example app, entertainment app. In this section you will learn useful topics like animations and async storage and much more. Who this course is for: 1. Everyone who excited about JS and RN programming. What will I learn? 1. Basic fundamentals of React Native and main topics in React Native. 2. JavaScript for React Native. 3. Animations in React Native. 4. Async storage in React Native. 5. React navigation, v4. 6. React hooks, state, effect. 7. Android emulator will be used throughout the course.